In this episode of Harbor Freight Review, we are going to be looking at the Greenwood Propane Torch, item number 91033. It is great for burning weeds, removing paint, and generates temperatures over 3,000 degrees. It features a 6-foot hose and adjustable. It is currently listed for $24.99, and as always, there'll be a coupon in the description. Today we are going to talk about this propane torch. It's a flamethrower, and that's all that matters. We can go ahead and cut. That's all they need to know.
Really?
No. I'm just Okay, so let me go over this thing. So, this flame torch is the non-igniter version. There's two different versions at Harbor Freight. This is the cheaper of the two of them. They're both incredibly awesome. To use it, has a standard propane tank hookup on it. Lefty-tighty. Remember that so you don't cross-thread this thing. It's lefty-tighty on these. And super simple to use. It has a variable valve up top for less flame and more flame. And when you're igniting it, put it right about at the lowest flame you possibly can, because you're going to have to spark it through here. And then it's a pull trigger. Pull trigger activates the full valve, and you get 100% pressure out of your tank. So if you got a full tank, you're going to get a big flame out of this thing. The only other thing, this is my personal one. You can tell I use this a lot. This thing is amazing. I told you, it's a flamethrower. It's good for burning out weeds, setting buildings on fire, melting stuff, heating up bolts if you don't mind burning everything else around it. But if you ever need to bring any kind of metal up to red hot so you can temper it, this thing, totally awesome. Because it will dump a ton of propane out of this nozzle, and we'll show you here that in a second. And lastly, America flamethrower. That's all you need to know. Go buy this thing. Even if you don't need to use it, get it because it's awesome. Help you clean your grill. I don't know. You can threaten people with it.
Kill zombies
with it. This is the zombie review on this thing. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be amazing. It's like at least a 7. I don't know. We need to get a zombie and test it, but zombies are flammable, so. Alright, anyways, we're going to go to plugging this thing in and setting stuff on fire and let you see this thing in action. Okay, so now we're going to demo this. So, you can't really see it because we turned off all the lights for you, so you can actually see the flames. Like I say, you turn it on very low. Let it catch. And you can adjust this. And it'll hold at a specific point. Then, if you really want to get something going, America's flamethrower. Tesla had to sell his for like $500. This thing is like $25. I don't know if you can see the flame with the lights on, but again, awesome. Very loud too. What's nice about setting it is if you are actually using this for what it's designed for and killing weeds, you can just set it to whatever flame length you need or heat you need and just let it roll. And look, you can turn it down to be a nice peaceful flame too. And that's the flame. I mean, that is the propane torch, not flamethrower. Alright guys. Now I need to talk to you about something serious. How will this fare in a zombie apocalypse? Let's be awesome. It's going to fare awesome, setting on fire a bunch of zombies. You saw the flame in the previous portion of this video. It's going to like melt their faces off. They're going to be like, rah, and just dead. Just completely dead. So as a zombie weapon, 100% grab this thing. Super portable. It's got a 6-foot hose on it, so you could put this in a backpack or something like that and just run around with a flamethrower. You could duct tape this thing on to a gun or a broom if you're beating them with a broom for some reason. And then you could have a flamethrower on your gun. And also, just thought about it, would work well with Aliens, if you remember that movie. She used the flamethrower in Aliens. It does kill aliens, too. So overall, this thing's killing everything. You got coronavirus, gonna kill it, might kill you, too, but it'll be dead, and that's the point. So, zombie weapon, solid 7. Maybe even an 8. No, it's an 8. It's definitely an 8. 8 out of 10, 100%. So, go out, buy this. Totally awesome. Super useful to have. Oh, yeah, I also forgot. Great way to start a grill. If you got a charcoal grill, great way to start it. So you don't have to use lighter fluid. All right, so yeah, zombie weapon, way up there. Go get it.
Hey everyone, just want to let you know I'm not affiliated with Harbor Freight and they're not sponsoring me yet. I'm just doing this because I love Harbor Freight and all their tools. I've had lots of great experiences with them and they're always helpful. The staff is really knowledgeable and it's really, for the most part, the best bang for your buck. So just want to make it clear. Definitely not sponsored yet, Harbor Freight. Call me. And I hope y'all enjoy the videos.